What's going on, guys? So, like you've seen, I'm moving. And I've already started. I'll show you that mess in a minute. But remember the video of PM Print Lab? Yeah, I literally just filmed that. You probably didn't catch that, but yeah, literally just filmed it. But I wanted to get it in the system and just for memory so I can remember. But I'm not gonna show you around this video. I am just kind of gonna show you a quick, this is what it looks like. And then once it's all done, I'll show you the new place. But yeah, so what you saw in the PM Print Lab of like what my apartment looks like, that's how it looks right this moment. So I hope you guys liked what it was, but the new place should be pretty sick and I can't wait to get over there. So I think I'm just gonna catch you guys up over there. So likely a couple weeks will go by and I'll have things kind of in their place and I'll catch up there. So future me, take it away. It is future me. Notice I'm a bit more gray. So I don't know why, but this video was completely edited, all done, ready to go, just needed to be exported, and I never did any of that. And I was like, oh, interesting. I thought that this actually went up because I remember editing this. I edited this years ago. Well, I have a lot of videos that are like this, not pre-edited. At least I don't think so. There might be another one. We'll find out. But I know this is really confusing because the last video you guys saw, I was in Arizona. Now you're watching this video and you're like, wait, you're moving? That doesn't look familiar. And anybody that does know me, they're like, but that was a long ass time ago, 2022. So luckily, I thought ahead of time and said, future me, take it away, or whatever I said. And yeah, so it was supposed to be future me after I got done moving. But I have a lot of videos like this that need to be edited and I want to look back on. And I don't care if you like it or not. Drop it in the comments if you do. That'd be cool if you guys found interest in this, but I don't really care. This is mainly for myself to look back on and just see all the places. There's more of these. They're not edited, but there's more videos like this. So get ready to be super confused. I will start putting locations as well as dates on these things, but yeah, I feel it's relevant for my own life. But it's crazy in just 4 years how much gray I've gotten in my beard. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're confused. Hit the like button if you're confused. If you're not confused, thank you. But yeah, let's get on with the show. All right, I'm not completely in here yet, but this is what it looks like. Sorry if the video quality sucks. I'm on my iPad. My phone is pretty much full. There's the Louie. What's up? Already got that all taken care of. And this is the bedroom. Got Super 73 in here. There's actually a lot more room than I thought. So. So this is everything in here. It's obviously not organized or in its place, but yeah, still need to get my bikes here and my toolbox. So once those are here, it's gonna be completely full. And then I'm gonna have to come back and organize it. I'll probably organize it a little bit tomorrow, but we will see. Oh, definitely a smart decision. Going a little walk here, even though my feet are absolutely killing me. That's it. If you remember in previous videos, there was all the lights and everything, and all the stuff on the walls, all the stuff in here. A million times up and down the stairs. Kitchen, all my keys. And this is where PM Print Lab started. Bittersweet, because I don't know if you guys know this, I've lived here 3 times now. I'll show you those places in just a second, but all my power wires going up and across there and all the way around. Had it plugged into the washing machine area, bathroom, and then where magic, I don't know, happened a handful of times. Bedroom slash living room. This place is pretty big, I would say. But I would say this is an end of an era. I don't know if I ever want to move back here in my lifetime. I'm not gonna say never, because things can change. Overall, this layout is pretty good. 2-bedroom here is actually pretty money. It's like an okay view in a sense, but now everything is completely different. I have a really spectacular view. Apartment isn't necessarily smaller, it's not necessarily bigger. It's just kind of different. I mean, granted, this has way more floor space because of the hallways and stuff. It's just not really used. So had a okay size walk-in closet. But yeah, that's the end of this. Gotta take the last load of stuff to storage and a few things to my apartment, but I am completely done. June 28th at 9 p.m. exactly. Oh boy. It's wild. Gives me goosebumps. I don't know why, but there's no regret. There's no necessarily ill or positive feelings. It's just different. I don't know why. I don't know why this feels way different than even moving to Las Vegas. I just don't get it. But yeah, that's it for this place. I'm gonna take one little last walk, Used to walk Ralph Louis around here every single day. I used to live right there, 2942. In comparison, here's that. And right up there is where I lived. The thing that was always cool is I had extra parking when friends wanted to come over. That was the maintenance shack. And then I'll show you around the corner here. And then right before I moved to Vegas, I lived right here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2 cars deep and more. And there's a window out the back. And the really cool thing about living here, for some reason I can't remember, but I think it's 2856. But either way, I looked right out to the hot tub. I'll show you. So I looked out right out into the hot tub. It was pretty cool. Well, yeah, those are the places that I lived. I knew a lot of people that have lived here. So it's funny. My buddy Brad told me he paid like $475 when he lived in a 1-bedroom here. $475. A 1-bedroom right now goes for just over $2,000, which is what I am moving out of. $2,000 to live in a 25-year-old property-ish. So yeah, I had a bunch of problems living here this time around, but I'm glad to be out, sad to be out, happy, kind of whatever. So anyways, if you guys like videos like this, if you like my content whatsoever, feel free to leave a comment, click like, subscribe. There's also a new feature called Super Thanks. So that actually goes to support my channel and things that I do and that I put on the channel. And it also makes your comment a priority. So you don't have to do that, but it just stands out a lot more so I can see them over a standard comment. But anyways, thank you guys. Have a great day. Peace.